Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, and I'm coming to you today with a new video. In this video, I'm actually going to be talking about it's my Raye Raye's collection with BH Cosmetics. Everyone has been raving about it. I'm a little late to the party, but I wanted to go ahead and try it for myself, see if it lives up to the hype. I have her first palette with BH Cosmetics, and I love it. It's like the perfect all-in-one palette that you can use for, let me grab it for you. So this is the first palette, and it's perfect because it has the contour highlight, and then it has the eyeshadow colors, and they're all super pigmented. So I wanted to try this and see if it also lives up to the hype. And I have on this cute shirt because I figured I could try to do a makeup look that goes with this outfit. So before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can come with me along on this journey, and let's get right into it. Alright, of course I have to try it all out, so I'm going to be using my P. Louise eyeshadow base. This eyeshadow base, I have a whole video on it, and I'll be sure to link it in the card or in the description below. So the only thing I'm going to be doing on camera today is my eyeshadow, and then I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera and then come back and show you the finished look. To start, I'm just going to take a little bit of the P. Louise base on my hand. This base is perfect for wanting to get like the perfect pigmented eyeshadow look. Of course, there are other products that you can use, but this is what I like to use it for. I'm going to just take a little bit and apply it on my eyelid. I already did my eyebrows off camera. Alright, now that I've primed my eyes, I'm going to decide which colors I want to use. Ooh, pretty. So I think I'm going to use a combination of this brown to start, this gold and yellow color, and then maybe I'll use a little bit of the blue. If you watch my videos and you see my other makeup looks, you know that I every now and then, get a little crazy with the makeup, but I'm more on just like the natural look, natural side. So this is going to be fun. I'm going to take the brown color in my crease. It's very pigmented, which is good, which is what we want. And then take a blending brush. So blend this out. No harsh edges. And this is just going to give me a really clean base. Next, I'm going to be taking Cobalt, which is the blue color, and applying that on the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to take more of the P. Louise base and apply this over like crease area. And then this is where I'm going to put the yellow, but I'm also going to spray this first with the little MAC Fix Plus. So I think I'm just going to use this yellow as a base and then put the glitter yellow on top, because this really isn't as pigmented as I would have liked. But yellows are always so hard, I find, to get super pigmented. Don't worry, I'm not going to leave this like this, because I know this looks crazy. So I think I'm going to take Bark, which is this color here, and apply this to till the middle to mix the two colors together. But then I also don't want this yellow to be harsh line like this, so I'm just gonna take this out a little bit more. Just rub it all over. I'm gonna go back in and darken up the blue because we kind of lost the color. And then go back in with the brown or just our blending brush and blend this all out. Okay, now I'm going to top the yellow with this gold shimmery color called Golden Girl. I'm gonna spray my brush and then apply it. Super pretty color. Maybe I'll only fan it out. This color is so pretty. Ooh, okay. I need to look at this and see what I need to fix. What y'all think? Super pretty. And I think to top off the look, I'm going to do some eyeliner. So I very rarely wear eyeliner. Not the one I was looking for, but this will work. So this is the NYX Professional Eyeliner. And I like to start on the outer corner. Muy perfecto. Before I do the other side, I'm going to be wearing these really cute lashes. Can't tell you where they're from, but they're most likely from Ulta, and they're most likely Ardell, because that brand is my go-to for eyelashes. Let's do the other side, and then of course before we put on our eyelashes, we do have to put a coat of mascara on. Do y'all think this goes with this shirt? Yes or no? Bam. Now let's do a coat of mascara. I'm going to be using my Buxom mascara. Muy perfecto. Side note, while we wait for these to dry some more, if you live in the Denver area and you need your hair or makeup done, be sure to hit up your girl. Or you can follow or check out my website at rocknaturalbeauty.com, and the link to that is in the description below. Makeup for weddings, special occasions, special events. I'm loving this look so much, so let me go ahead and finish my face off camera, and then I'll come back and show you the finished look. All right, I did the rest of my face off camera. The only thing that I didn't do yet is my bottom lash, which I need to do. I think I'm just gonna take a little bit of this bark color here and put that on the bottom lash, put that on my bottom lash line, and then put some mascara on my bottom lashes. And then I wanted to take this yellowish color, the Golden Girl that I have on my lid, and put just the tiniest bit on my eyebrow bone, just to give it that highlight. Then I'm also going to blend it out with my finger so that it's very subtle. Ooh, okay, snatched. And do the same thing to the other side. Now that we do have on the rest of our makeup though, I'm gonna put a little bit more of this Golden Girl on the inner corner of my eye. Bam. Oh, and the last thing I didn't do was my lip. So when I ordered the palette, it also came with a free gift, which is this lip gloss from It's My Raye Raye. So I'm going to be using this gloss on my lips. I just have to find a brown lip liner because that's like my classic go-to. Surprised I found one because I could usually never find one. And then line my lips. Then I'm going to add a little gloss on top. I'm just going to use a little bit of my MAC lip glass. And this is just going to give me a real like pouty lip. This lip color is a little bit more pink than I had liked. That's okay. Nude lip gloss from BH Cosmetics that I'm just going to put a little bit on top of the... Alright, now let's spray our face with my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. Let that sit in for a little bit, and then here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had such a fun time trying out the It's My Raye Raye BH Cosmetics palette collection 2. First impressions, I love the different variety of colors in this palette. I really feel like it can be perfect for any occasion. I like that there's a bunch of matte colors and then a bunch of more sparkly colors. To me, the colors were super pigmented. I think that, you know, for the most part, the yellow of course wasn't as pigmented as I had hoped, because in the palette it looks really pigmented. But that also could have been the way I applied it. But overall, I give this palette a 10. These two together like could be my go-to palettes, and I wouldn't need anything else in my kit. Like I said, if you are in the area and you need a makeup artist or a hairstylist for a special event or something of the sort that you have coming up, don't forget to reach out. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And before we go, subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!